This is the Power Platform Daily Brief for Tuesday, May 14th, 2019. I'm Joel Lindstrom, and this is what you need to know about the Power Platform today in 10 minutes or less. Microsoft has introduced new capacity reports in the Power Platform Admin Center. These new reports are in line with the new storage methodology that's coming out with the April release. So what this enables is you to see storage in use by environment, and it's broken into the three different types of storage now: database, file, and log. So you can see exactly how much of your environment storage is used up by files, how much is data, and how much is logs. I'm looking at one of my environments, and roughly half the size of it is files. So in that scenario, the new storage scheme, which basically reduces the cost of the file and log storage, will be advantageous for us. So check that out. If you go to the admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com and click on capacity, you can see the new capacity report. So check it out in your environment. Next, the Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement in the Field blog. We've highlighted some of their posts in the past. They always have some interesting things, more from a technical / support standpoint, and they have some really good posts in the last couple of weeks. One is by Bhavesh Shastri on April 23rd, and this is a detailed matrix showing all the different options for automatic email tracking behavior, ranging from no automatic tracking, automatically tracking only emails from customers, automatically tracking emails in response to a message, automatically tracking emails from user inbox in D365 when sender is an email-enabled record. Just a lot of different things and some really helpful FAQ type content about tracking token, smart matching correlation, restricting users automatically tracking emails, things like that. Now, don't confuse this with the email auto capture, which was introduced in, I think it was version 8.1 or 8.2 or version 9. That is the feature that doesn't actually track the email but shows the email in the inbox to the user. No, this is the options for if you want emails automatically coming into Outlook to track. And you may think you know it, but I read it through and I found a few scenarios that I wasn't sure, the combination between system settings and personal options. You got to get that just right in order to automatically track those emails. So check that out. I put it in the show notes. And then another one, also by Bhavesh. Bhavesh has really been writing some good stuff lately. He has another post, How do I track tasks with the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook? Now, you may think, well, the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook doesn't track tasks. And while you're technically right, there are still options. He mentions category tracking, which works on tasks, and also that you can, from the Outlook app, directly create a task, which then creates a task inside of Dynamics, which then syncs to your inbox. So even if you want to track tasks, but you're using app for Outlook, check out this other post because it's got some really good information. And our final story for this morning, effective May 23rd, 2019, a little bit more than a week from now, Microsoft is removing the 24-hour maximum user login session time for Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement, Outlook app, and Common Data Service. Now, users and administrators will still be able to set a timeout for individual environments in the system settings, but no more is Microsoft going to enforce a maximum time of 24 hours by default. This is going to have a couple of ramifications. The biggest one is that this will make the Common Data Service and Dynamics 365 more resilient to Azure AD outages. As you probably know, about a week and a half ago, we had a pretty major Azure AD outage, pretty much worldwide, and it stopped everybody from using Dynamics 365 customer engagement and other related services like Power Apps and Flow, etc. And so what's going to happen is now the Common Data Service in Dynamics 365 will be more resilient to Azure AD outages, because as long as your claims token hasn't expired and you're still in the browser session that you're in, it's not going to make you log in again during the outage, and so it should be more resilient to outages. So that's good news. This has been the Power Platform Daily Brief for Tuesday, May 14th, 2019. I'm Joel Lindstrom. Now you're up to date. Power on.